A common question we receive from prospective clients is, how can you help me if you don't have experience working in my industry? Yes, hiring a sales consultant who has deep experience in your industry is desirable. However, the most important question you should be asking a consultant that you're vetting is, tell me how you've helped your clients grow, fix, or scale their sales team. We've worked with countless sales teams across a number of industries. The basic fundamentals of selling are always the same. What separates average versus high-performing sales teams is their ability to excel in the following 4 areas. 1, strategy. Do you have a unique and compelling value proposition? What is it that sets you apart from your competition? Can your sales team effectively articulate it with clients and prospects? Is your sales compensation plan aligned to your sales strategy, and is it driving the desired results? Number 2, process. What's your selling process? Simply stated, how do you attract and acquire new business? How do you track all customer and prospect engagement? How do you manage your sales funnel? And how do you accurately forecast for future sales? 3, people. Do you have the right people on your sales team, and are they performing up to their full potential? Are your sales reps consistently meeting their sales goals? Is your sales manager an effective leader? Do all of your sales employees positively contribute to the culture of your company? Number 4, coaching and development. How do you attract, hire, develop, and retain the best and the brightest sales reps and sales leaders? What's your coaching cadence? Does your sales manager make joint sales calls with their sales reps? Do you have an effective onboarding and sales training process for new hires? What about ongoing training and development? Yes, that's a very comprehensive list. You might have noticed industry experience wasn't listed. Why? Because whether you're talking about hiring a new sales rep or engaging a sales consultant, you can immerse them in your business, and they'll develop industry expertise very rapidly. Your focus should be to hire for skill and culture fit. You can teach the other stuff. Should you need help evaluating your sales team, please contact me via the link below to arrange a 30-minute complimentary session. Thanks for watching.